Trade alert mga kabole. So meron nga pong naganap po na trade kabole last month kung saan nag-trade na naman po ang San Miguel Beermen at Terra Firma Jeep. Alam naman natin kabole ang galawan ng dalawang team na to. Paborito nilang mag-trade sa isa't isa kabola at kamukha na naman ito ng past trade nila. So analyze po natin. So wala na pong iba kundi ang Jeric and Missy to San Miguel Beermen trade ang atin pong ihihimayin ngayon. So from the get-go kabola, pag titignan mo po itong trade nito kabola, this is truly not a fair exchange kabola. Bakit po? Simple lang naman yan kabola, diba? San Miguel traded to end of the bench players si Chongson at saka si Miller na hindi man lang po ata nag-average ngayon ng more than 10 minutes na playing time at they are not even playing every game kabola. Itong si Chongson at saka si Miller, dinagdagan lang nila ng second round pick. Nakuha na po nila yung isa sa top 5 scorer kabola of the past 2 tournaments na si Jeric Missy and also a capable guard in Paulo Hernandez kabola. So sa tingin pa lang po nito kabola, talagang yung palitan po na ito is not truly patas kabola. Although, dedepensahan yan siguro ng mga fans sa San Miguel Beermen stating kabola na of course kasi nga sobrang lalim ng San Miguel Beermen kaya hindi nabibigyan ng minuto si Chongson at saka si Miller. Pero still though kabola, at the first glance po of analyzing a trade kabola, yung kanila pong current production, yun pa rin po ang may pinakamalaki pa rin po na variable in assessing a trade. Although of course, okay din naman na nagpadagdag. Malamang siguro trade committee na yan ng second round pick para mapunta po sa Terra Firma Jeep. Para the very least, 3 yung mapupunta sa kanila kabola. Pero again, the production difference is truly great kabola. To end of the bench to a top 5 scorer, talaga yung palitan po na naganap is ang hirap pong ipaliwanag. Although again, meron pa rin po actually yung path dito na mananalo po ang Terra Firma sa trade kabola. Paano po yun? Simple lang. Una, si Chongson kabola, if you remember, he was actually the Ahan Missy of Terra Firma Jeep in the past. In his best season po doon, he was averaging at 20 points din kabola. Ito pong si Jeric Missy. So if that is the case kabola, meron pa rin pong path na ito pong Terra Firma Jeep ang mananalo sa trade kapag po si Wami Chongson makabalik pa rin sa ganung form even at his age na 35. 20 points, 4 rebounds, 4 assists kabola was his numbers at his peak in Terra Firma Jeep. Kung makabalik po siya sa ganyang pormahan kabola sa Terra Firma, meron pa rin pong chance kabola na mapantayan niya yung nagagawa po ni Missy dito po sa Terra Firma Jeep and dagdag mo na lang yung Miller at saka yung second round pick kabola. Also, the possibility that of course Missy will not be a top 10 scorer in the PBA anymore is 95% malamang kabola, diba? Kasi hindi na po niya magiget yung touches niya po sa San Miguel Beermen. Malamang po sa San Miguel Beermen, most likely because meron pa pong Trollano doon, siya po dito sa Paparino Governor's Cup will be a bench player na lang kabola. So if Chongson can return to his form of a top scorer of Terra Firma form kabola, may chance na talagang makabalik po or manalo pa rin actually sa mata ng tao sa trade nito ang Terra Firma Jeep. Other than that is the possibility that Chris Miller is legit kabola na hindi lang po nabibigyan siya ng minuto dito po sa Terra Firma doon sa San Miguel Beermen kasi nga sobrang lalim nila. Again, I was really high on Chris Miller when he entered the draft kasi Chris Miller is playing that usual wing type kabola that can dominate in the PBA kabola. Itong klase po ng forward na si Miller, ito po yung klase ng forward na hinahanap po actually ng KBL, na hinahanap po ng Japan D-League, and it's a very crucial part of an offense and defense. So, kung mabibigyan po ng maraming shots, maraming opportunity si Chris Miller kabola, pwede makapagpakita ito ng mga numero kabola that will actually surprise a lot of people and that will even anoint him as a future star or a star player kabola dito po sa PBA, tulad din po na nangyari kay Jeric Missy. Remember, Missy when he entered po the PBA, hindi naman po ito kabola naging superstar sa UAAP, kaya nga po hindi siya top 5 pick Missy was just labeled as a talented player when he entered the PBA. Yun nga lang, sumabog siya dito po sa Terra Firma Jeep. So again, in initial analysis, this is an unfair trade pero may path po para manalo pa rin po actually sa trade na ito pong Terra Firma Chip. Now, there's also this current po na ramblings po na trade rumor regarding po dito kay Joshua Munzon, kabola. So, Joshua Munzon is now on the trade block, and the biggest reason for that is that ito nga po daw si Joshua Munzon is trying to ask for a much bigger salary, kabola. So, teams are now trying to negotiate with Titan, kabola, na nagsabi in the past na hindi daw po sila farm team. So, tignan natin kung saan nila papapuntahin ito pong si Joshua Munzon. Now, there is a rumored actually na trade na. It will be Nambatak daw at saka si Kobuntin ang ipapalit po sa isang Joshua Munzon. And by the looks of it, if yan po yung magiging kapalit lang po ng isang Joshua Munzon, I think it's not enough. If you remember po, Nambatak was actually just a free agent signed po by TNT. Same with Kabuntin, if I'm not mistaken. Diba, kabala? So, sobra naman yun. Diba? Even if it's a quality, still, Munzon is a top 10 PBA player, kabola, ay mapapalit lang po siya ng isang starting caliber guard, and we can say starting caliber din naman po na forward, pero still, iba kasi yung caliber ng Munzon. I think hindi po sapat pa rin yung isang Nambatak at Kabuntin as a trade package to get po itong si Munzon. They at least need to add more. So, kabola, for this to be a worthwhile trade, kabola, di ba? Dapat talaga magdagdag pa po ang TNT for this one. Although, of course, Titan should also look po for the offer of other teams, kabola, di ba? And tignan natin, hopefully, makahanap po ng tamang trade ng Titan. Kabola, sa palagay mo, saan or kanino dapat i-trade po ng Titan si Munzon? Comment na po sa baba.